Art's just finishing up cleaning the curb edge from the storm that we just got. I think he's probably gonna send me on my way. Him and I have been doing this for, I don't know, 8, 9, 10 years. Which is nice. It's middle of the night. Actually, probably close to 12 a.m. So we'll end up blocking the whole street. And he was telling me he definitely likes the older New Holland skid loader versus the new one, the 230. We had a bunch of electrical problems. He ended up plowing the last 8 inches of snow we got with no headlights, no tail lights or work lights, and no heat. It was making heat, but it wasn't blowing heat. Some salt down here. Maybe that's where the shovelers went, because their tools have just been hanging out here for the last 10 minutes. Nice and clean account versus if you look at everywhere else around here, there's quite a bit of snow on the edge of the road. Look at him, he's so happy.